Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English channel. I'm Manha. We are very happy that you are here today learning English with us.
And I'm Umer. This channel is created especially for English learners who want to improve their speaking, listening, and confidence using simple and clear English.
If you are a beginner and sometimes you feel that English is difficult, please do not worry. Learning a language takes time, patience, and daily practice. The most important thing is to listen, repeat, and practice simple conversations.
On this channel, we practice slow English conversations between two friends so that beginners can easily understand and learn new sentences.
Today's topic is very interesting and very helpful for beginners.
Many students feel nervous on their first day at school. They meet new teachers, new classmates, and a new environment. Sometimes they feel excited, and sometimes they feel shy.
But the first day at school is also a beautiful moment. It is the beginning of a new journey of learning, friendship, and growth.
In today's podcast, we will listen to a conversation between.
Through their conversation, you will learn many useful English sentences, such as,
This conversation will be slow, simple, and clear so that beginners can understand easily.
hello,
Hello. Good morning.
good morning.
Are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day at this school.
Oh, welcome to the school.
Thank you. My name is Manha. What is your name?
My name is Umer.
Nice to meet you, Umer.
Nice to meet you too, Manha.
How do you feel today?
I feel a little nervous.
That is normal on the first day.
Yes, everything is new.
Do not worry. Our school is very friendly.
That is good to hear.
Where are you from?
I am from another city.
Oh, that is interesting.
Yes, my family moved here last month.
What class are you in?
I am in class 10.
Me too.
Really?
Yes, we are classmates.
That is great.
Our classroom is on the second floor.
Can you show me the classroom?
Of course.
This school is very big.
Yes, it is.
How many students study here?
There are more than 1,000 students.
Wow, that is a lot.
Yes, but the teachers are very helpful.
Who is our teacher?
Our class teacher is very kind.
That is good.
Her name is Miss Sarah.
Is she strict?
No, she is friendly, but disciplined. Here is our classroom.
It looks nice.
Yes, we study many subjects here.
What subjects do we study?
We study English, mathematics, science, history, geography.
I like English.
Me too.
I hope I make many friends here.
You will. Everyone is friendly.
That makes me happy.
You can sit next to me in class.
Thank you. That is very kind. Does the school have activities?
Yes, many activities.
Like what?
We have sports competitions, science fairs, debates, cultural events.
That sounds exciting. What was that sound?
That is the school bell.
What does it mean?
It means the class is starting.
Oh, I see. Manha, thank you for helping me today.
You are welcome.
Now I feel much better.
I'm glad to hear that.
I was very nervous before.
But now you are ready for your first class.
Yes, I'm excited. Manha, I think the teacher is coming.
Yes, that is our teacher.
She looks very kind.
Yes, she is very friendly.
Teacher. Good morning, students. Students. Good morning, teacher. Teacher. Today we have a new student in our class. Hello, everyone. My name is Umer. I am very happy to join this school. Teacher. Welcome to the class, Umer. Students. Welcome, Umer.
Manha, everyone seems very nice.
Yes, our classmates are friendly.
I feel less nervous now.
That is good.
Thank you for helping me today.
You are welcome.
Friends help each other. Today we will start with English class.
That is my favorite subject.
Really?
Yes, I like learning new languages.
That is great. Teacher, open your English books. Students, yes, teacher.
Today, we will practice simple English conversations.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, we often practice speaking.
Teacher, speaking practice helps improve confidence.
I want to improve my English speaking.
I want to improve my English speaking.
What does that bell mean?
It means break time.
Great, I'm a little hungry.
Let's go to the cafeteria.
Okay, this cafeteria looks nice.
Yes, students like to sit here and talk.
What do students usually eat?
Many students eat sandwiches, fruits, and snacks.
I brought a sandwich from home.
That sounds delicious. Umer, what are your hobbies?
I like reading books and playing football.
That is great. What about you?
I enjoy drawing pictures and listening to music.
That sounds fun. Manha, do you enjoy studying here?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like the school?
Because the teachers are helpful and the students are friendly.
That is important.
Also, the school organizes many activities.
I am excited to join them. Today was a good day.
Yes, it was.
I learned many new things.
And you made new friends.
Yes, including you.
I am happy to hear that.
Thank you for helping me on my first day.
You are welcome.
Now school feels like a comfortable place.
That is wonderful.
I look forward to coming to school every day.
Learning is an exciting journey.
Thank you so much for listening to today's English conversation practice on Dr. Manha English channel.
We hope this first day at school conversation helped you improve your English listening and speaking skills.
And remember, learning English becomes easier when you practice simple conversations again and again.
The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
If you enjoyed today's podcast, please support our channel. Like this video, share this podcast with friends who are learning English, subscribe to Dr. Manha English channel.
Your support helps us create more helpful English learning podcasts for students around the world. Also, tell us in the comments.
We are always happy to create new podcasts to help you learn English easily. Thank you again for learning English with us today.
Keep practicing every day. Keep speaking with confidence. And remember, every small step helps you become better in English.
We will see you again very soon in the next episode of Dr. Manha English channel. Until next time, take care and happy learning.
Goodbye, everyone.